Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
MLA ke NPP rakam sangma balongru menteri Jong ka sarkar jala laong baka NPP kam julet Khwai satya yaki MLA Jong Kiwei ki parti Henry habakimon kila ban wan peneso namar ba ka NPP kapediang sobha kat iki bakwa banrung syaka parti Haka jingkran bat kilat pathai khubor rakam ulong baka jing peneso badangshen Jong MLA ka Meliam constituency ba Roni V Lingdo syaka NPP kamdei satya da ka jingpen bor Henry ka dei ka mon Jong shimen namar ba yoi yaki jingtrai kam Jong ka NPP hapo ka jingalam Jong national president Konrad ki sangma balongru menteri rangba ka sarkar jala
You see the political dynamics in the state and even in the country. So somebody says it's a poaching. No, NPP doesn't poach, but NPP inspired. So if somebody excited, if somebody inspired, no force can stop that clear. So therefore joining former LO and chief whip of the opposition joining the party is a very welcoming story for us, and this really inspired even like a junior member like this. So like a senior people joining the party is like a father figure for us. This really bring up the boost of the party workers within the party. This is testament to how this under dynamic leadership of the chief minister and all the top leaders of the party is inspiring and developmental activities. They're committed for the cause, committed for the service of the people. This really sending the message. This speak a lot.
So you want the other remaining 9 members to, so that there is no opposition?
It is up to them. We can say anything, but like some the main situation is in the politics, right? So opposition also very important, but provided they give a constructive and suggestive opposition for the government.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hakdor lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra